So this is a holiday home video. SBI Holiday Home. There's a parking, and this is a complete view of SBI. They have very ample space of parking, and I think some bus came. And look at this. Now I'll take you to my room, which I got on behalf of my entire card. Just wait and watch. Yes, they have very ample space of parking here. So this was a lift, and he came. I got 613 room number, which is this. This is a room, and now check out the room यार. Room बहुत बड़ा है भाई. This is SBI Holiday Home in Kodaikanal, and I booked it on behalf of my dad's name, and they have given properties 50 rupees here. Not that bad, but not that good as well. It's clean. It's neat and clean. Room is very clean.